Hello kids, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will start with chapter number 6, Be My Multiple, and I will be your factor. The mouse and the cat. As in the picture you can see that cat is on number 3, mouse is on number 14. So the hungry cat is trying to catch Kunjan the mouse. Kunjan is now on the 14th step and it can jump 2 steps at a time. The cat is on the 3rd step. She can jump 3 steps at a time. If the mouse reaches 28, it can hide in the hole. Find out whether the mouse can get away safely. The steps on which the mouse jumps are 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26 and 28. The steps on which cat jumps are 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and 27. So the steps on which both the cat and the mouse jump are 18 and 24. So can the mouse get away? Yes, the mouse can get away. So find out if the cat starts from the 5th step and jump 5 steps at a time, and the mouse starts from the 8th step and jump 4 steps at a time. Can the mouse get away? So answer will be, if the cat starts from 5th step and jumps 5 steps at a time, the cat will reach 10, 15, 20 and 25 steps. If the mouse starts from 8th step and jump 4 steps at a time, the mouse will reach 12, 16, 20 and 24 steps. So the cat will easily be able to catch the mouse at step number 20. This time the mouse cannot get away. Now who is Monto waiting for? Monto cat is waiting for somebody. Do you know for whom he is waiting? There is a trick to find out. See here, some numbers, that is 1 to 60, are given here. On some of the numbers some alphabets are also written. What you have to do is you have to mark with a red dot all the numbers which can be divided by 2. So which are the number can be divided by 2 whose last digit is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. This all number can be divided by 2. Then mark the yellow dot on the number which can be divided by 3. So which are the numbers? So you know the multiple of 3. Table of 3 also can be. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. And a blue dot on the numbers which can be divided by 4. It means 4, 8, 12, 16. So table of 4. So this you have to do it with blue dots. So which are the boxes which have dots of all 3 colors? What are the letters on the top of those boxes? So I will show you which are the number which all 3 dots. So here you can see that 12 number, then 24, 36, 48 and 60. So which are the alphabets written over that number? That is M-O-U-S-E. Write those letters in the below in order. So the Monto cat is waiting for mouse. So Meow Game. To play this game, everyone stands in a circle. One player call out 1, the next player says 2, and so on. A player who has to call out 3 or a number which can be divided by 3 has to say meow instead of the number. One who forgets to say meow is out of the game. The last player left is the winner. Which numbers did you replace with meow? So 3, 6, 9, and then 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and so on. These are the numbers which we will replace with meow. So we say these numbers are multiple of 3. Play the game by changing the number to 4. Now, which numbers did you replace with meow? These numbers are the multiples of 4. So the number that get replaced with meow are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, and so on. So write any 10 multiples of 5. So I know you all are knowing table of 5. So that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. Dice game. Throw 2 dice together. What are the numbers that turn up on the faces of the dice? Make 2-digit number. Using them, if it is a multiple of any of the numbers written next to the circles, you can write it in that circle. Then it is your friend's turn. The one who can write more numbers in 10 rounds is the winner. So if see, for example, if you have 3 and 2 on my dice, if I make 23, it is not the multiple of any of the numbers. So I will make 32, which is multiple of 4, and write it in red circle. So here in green circle you will write multiple of 6, in red circle you will write multiple of 4, in pink circle you will write multiple of 5, and blue circle you will write multiple of 7. This game you can play it at your home. Common multiples. Think of numbers. If it is a multiple of 3, write in red circle. If it is a multiple of 5, write in blue circle. So we'll write some multiple of 3 and 5 both. So the multiple of 3 is 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12. Then 15 will be the multiple of both the numbers. So we'll write in the between the spaces given. So 18, 21, 24, 27, and so on. And here we will write 15, 30, and 45, and so on, because these numbers are multiple of both the numbers 3 and 5. So multiples of 5 are 10, 25, 10, 20, 25, 35, 40, 50, and so on. Some numbers are multiple of both 3 and 5. So we can say that they are common to 3 and 5. These are also called common multiples, right? So think, if you write the multiples common to 3 and 5 in the purple part, then will they still be in both the red and blue circles? Yes, they will be in both red and blue circles. So which is the smallest among these common multiple? So the smallest among this common multiple is 15. So 15 can also be called a LCM of 3 and 5. LCM stands for least common multiple, that is smallest common multiple. We will also have a session on LCM. So repeat the game using the number 2 and 7. So write the common multiple of 2 and 7. So the common multiple of 2 and 7 are 14, 28, 42, 56 and so on. So repeat the game by putting the multiples of 4, 6 and 5 in the circle. So look at here. So let us see. 18, 16, 28 and 32 are multiple of 4. 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45 and 50 are multiple of 5. 6, 18, 42, 48 and 54 are multiple of 6. Now look at the orange part. Here we will write common multiples of 4 and 6. So the common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12, 24 and 36. Now the common multiple of 4 and 5, will write it in purple. So that is 20 and 40. The common multiple of 6 and 5 are 30 and 60. So 60 in the gray is the common multiple of 4, 6 and 5. So here you can see, if we take 4 and 6 LCM, that is least common multiple, is 12 of for 4 and 6. Least common multiple for 4 and 5 is 20. Least common multiple for 5 and 6 is 30. And least common multiple for 4, 5 and 6 is 60. So write common multiples of 5 and 6. Did you write in the green part? So common multiple of 5 and 6 are 30 and 60, which is written in green part. What common multiples of 4 and 6 are written in the orange part? So common multiples of 4 and 6 are 12, 24 and 36, which is written in orange part. In which colored part did you write the common multiples of 4, 6 and 5? So common multiples of 4, 5 and 6 are written in gray part. What is the smallest multiple of 4, 6 and 5? So the smallest common multiple of 4, 5 and 6 is 60. The smallest common multiple is also called as LCM, that is least common multiple, and which we will discuss in next session. So tamarind seeds. This is the puzzle. Sunita took some tamarind imli seeds. She made groups of 5 with them and found that one seed was left over. She tried making group of 6 and group of 4. Each time one seed was left over. What is the smallest number of seeds that Sunita had? So here we will again take LCM of 4, 5 and 6. So we know that if we make groups of 4, 5, 6, each time we will left with one seed. So we calculate LCM, that is least common multiple or smallest common multiple of 4, 5 and 6, and add 1 to it. So thus the LCM of 4, 5 and 6 is equal to 60. Adding 1 to it, we get 61. So the smallest possible number of seeds that Sunita had is 61. More tamarind seeds. Amini is arranging 12 tamarind seeds in the form of different rectangles. Try to make more rectangles like this using 12 tamarind seeds. How many different rectangles can you make? Different rectangles that can be made from 12 tamarind seeds are as follows. See here, you can make 2 by 6 or 4 by 3 or 3 by 4 or 6 by 2. If there are 15 tamarind seeds, how many rectangles can you make? So we can make 2 rectangles of 15 tamarind seeds in the following way. See here, 3 by 5 and 5 by 3. Thus we can make 2 rectangles. Coloring the grid. In the grid here, a rectangle made of 20 boxes is drawn. The width of the rectangle is 2 boxes here, as you can see in the grid. So what is its length? So length of the rectangle is 10 boxes. Color the rectangle made of 20 boxes in some another way. So here are the ways. So what is the length of the width of rectangle you colored? So here, as whatever you have drawn, your answer will be different. It can be 4 or 5, whatever you have drawn. So in how many ways can you color a rectangle of 20 boxes? So color them all in the grid and write the length and width each rectangle you have colored. So in the first case, as shown in the picture, the length and the breadth of the colored rectangle is 5 and 4 boxes, and in the second case the length and breadth of the colored rectangle is 10 and 2 boxes. Your answer may be different. So whatever you have drawn, you have to write in your textbook. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.